Hello, how to solve this linear equation using both elimination and substitution method. We have 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, x minus y is equal to 1. Solution. Now, let us consider the first method called elimination method. From here, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Let us call that equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Equation 1. Then x minus y is equal to 1. Let us call that equation 2. X minus y is equal to 1. Equation 2. Now by elimination method, here the coefficient of s must be equal to the coefficient of y, or the s here, and the coefficient of s here must be equal to, here in elimination method, the coefficient of s here must be equal to the coefficient of s here. Also, the coefficient of y here must be equal to the coefficient of y here. Now, and the sign must be different. One must be negative and one must be positive. So now, in this case now, we have 2s here and s here. We have 3y here and a y here, but let us eliminate y. So we need to multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 3. So here we have 2s plus 3y is equal to 12. Let us call this equation 3. Then 3x minus 3y is equal to 3. Let us call this equation 4. Now let's add the two equations together by the elimination method. If you add these two equations together, we have 2x plus 3s. This is 5s, and this cancel this is equal to 12 plus 3, that is 15. Now let's divide both sides by 5. This divided by 5. This cancel this. 5 here 1, 5 here 3. Therefore, s is equal to 3. Now we've gotten the value of s. Let us solve for y using either equation 1 or equation 2. But in this case, I'm going to make use of this equation 2. Now, from equation 2, s minus y is equal to 1. Now we are looking for the value of y. Minus y is equal to 1 minus x. Now let's see. Minus y is equal to 1 minus s is what? 3. Minus y is equal to minus 2. But we are looking for the value of y. If you divide both sides by minus 1, divided by minus 1, y is equal to 2. Therefore, our final answer are s, y is equal to 3, 2 using elimination method. Now let us consider the second method called substitution method, which is the substitution method from this equation. In order to consider the method of substitution method, we have this 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, and this is equation 1. S minus y is equal to 1. This is our equation 2. Now from equation 2, s is equal to 1 plus y. Let's call this equation 3. Now let us substitute this equation 3 into 1. That is, put equation 3 into equation 1. Then we have 2 bracket 1 plus y plus 3y is equal to 12. Let's open the bracket. 2 multiplied by 1, 2, plus 2 multiplied by y, 2y, plus 3y is equal to 12. Then here we have, now here we have 2y plus 3y is equal to 12 minus 2. 2y plus 3y, this is 5y, is equal to 12 minus 2, 10. Now let us divide both sides by 5. This divided by 5. This 5 cancel this. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. Y is equal to 2. This is the value of y. Now we've got the value of y. Let us solve for s using either equation 1 or equation 2. But I'm going to make use of this same equation 2. From equation 2, x minus y is equal to 1. S minus y is 2 is equal to 1. Then s is equal to 1 plus 2. S is equal to 3. This is the value of s. Therefore, our final answer are s comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. You can see that using both substitution method and elimination method, you get the same answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's just check. To check, we have the given equation 2s plus 3y is equal to 12. S minus y is equal to 1. When s is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Now let us consider this. We have 2 brackets 3 plus 3 brackets 2 must be equal to 12. 2 times 3, this is 6, plus 3 times 2, 6, must be equal to 12. 6 plus 6, this is 12, is equal to 12, which is true. Now let us consider this. And here, s minus y is equal to 1. When s is 3 and y is equal to 2, we have 3 minus 2 must be equal to 1. Then 3 minus 2, this is 1, is equal to 1, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.